of trekking to Mount Everest Base Camp. Today we're in Dingboche and we're at 12,700 feet. We're walking to Dingboche. It's been raining all night and it's still raining, so let the adventure begin. It's been really rainy today, but it doesn't take away from the beauty of this place. The mountains are stunning, and I'm excited to see the trail ahead. We are crossing more bridges today. Not my favorite since I'm afraid of heights, but hey, I like to face my fears. We stopped for lunch mostly to dry off and warm up. They're burning yak poop in the fireplace, which yeah, I haven't seen that before. As we were gearing up to leave, this happened. Now it's snowing heavily. All bundled up. It's snowing here, oh my gosh. We headed back out. Now it's rain, snow, and thunder. We kept walking through it all, soaked and freezing. That was crazy. It's like a mini snowstorm. There's thunder, there's snow, there's rain and sleet. And now we're headed into Dingboche. Still have a little bit of a ways to go, but we're getting there. Finally, we made it to the tea house, and everyone just crashed by the fire.